It's a great small town family practice. We see, grandparents down to, their grandchildren and get to know the family, which is really great. My practice is dated, so we were always looking to expand, and finally this is happening where it's going to work out. So I'm really excited to be on the journey with them. They do everything, which I didn't realize, from, the lighting, because you want the right lighting on the frames to make them pop. And, so you could start at ground zero and they're going to have your whole space, fitted and completed by just coming to one spot, which is excellent. They are so talented. They know exactly how to make it appeal to the people coming in, makes them want to buy, something from you, which is nice. Everything is at your disposal. Everything they have is organized and streamlined, and it looks neat and nice, and I'm really excited to have that as part of my everyday. It's such a dark environment that you want to make it, feel homey and welcoming and nice, for your patients and yourself. You're there a lot, so it's definitely a good feel. Yeah, I think just the wow factor of having my patients walk in and see the whole complete project. Also my staff is really excited to have a new fresh space to work in, and they'll feel good too in it as well. I would just say, check it out. That's all you can do, is just come in and see what you think, see how you feel. It's a family-based business and they have their dogs running around, and even if you just come and see the dogs, that'll lift your spirits. Yeah, I definitely would recommend it.